scatter, then relax yourself. Go home to your mum and stop being a cat. Many guys wanna part, many guys are gonna take this thing far. Many guys are gonna be some big stars, but soon enough them and about to get slap off. So there's no need for chatter, no need for anything cheap, but that's that. Anybody begging a thing for you, smack up, back up, fam, my meters round back. I see them as scatter.
Cause if I had a clutch on a Magnum. Just another point in my game, and I'm the god figure poor in the rain. I'm a raw one, too much of a force to contain when I forge through a page full of thoughts off the brain. By any means I'm putting pure spits to shame. What I depict on scripts too much for the man there. And I keep calm with more shit to spray when I'm letting off. Since I had a clutch on a Magnum. See you making that P in a fashion. Most of these MCs are straight gassing. Yeah, they getting paid on the JSA, cleaning something like the guy Don Draper from Mad Men. Bagging up when I'm racking hits by the minute. I'm sick with the lyrics, so you best be backing up. You tatter with a little more flesh to matter. Cause when I rat a top bars, watch how bear man scatter. Scatter, 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 scatter.
When I touch mic, I see them as scatter.
Cause if I had a clutch on a Magnum.